Stop. Right now, you're scrolling because you feel exhausted even though you did nothing today. You woke up tired. You stayed tired. And now you're going to sleep tired. But here's what nobody tells you. It's not laziness. It's not weakness. It's a trap. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you're drained and how to fix it. So hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because this might be the most important video you watch this year. Let me guess your day. You woke up already exhausted. You scrolled for just 5 minutes. That turned into an hour. You sat through meetings or classes feeling like a zombie. You came home, collapsed on the couch, and now you feel guilty because you did nothing productive. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. You are doing something. You're just doing the wrong things. Your brain is working overtime. Your body is stressed. Your energy is leaking everywhere. Let me show you the 5 hidden reasons you're exhausted and what to do about each one. Number 1. Your brain is making too many decisions. You think you're doing nothing, but your brain is running a marathon. What to wear? What to eat? Should I reply to that text? Should I check my email? Netflix or YouTube? This task or that task? Every single decision drains your energy. Scientists call this decision fatigue, and it's why even billionaires like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg wore the same outfit every day. They understood something crucial. Decisions are expensive. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's energy. When you make hundreds of micro decisions daily, you're burning fuel without realizing it. The solution? Automate your routine. Decide once, repeat forever. Same breakfast every morning. Same workout time. Same bedtime routine. Same outfit rotation. Remove the choice, remove the drain. Barack Obama said it perfectly. You'll see I wear only gray or blue suits. I'm trying to pare down decisions. I don't want to make decisions about what I'm eating or wearing because I have too many other decisions to make. Stop deciding. Start automating. Watch your energy return. Number 2. You're consuming, not creating. Here's a brutal truth. Scrolling is more exhausting than working. I know it sounds backward, but think about it. When you scroll through social media, your brain processes hundreds of images, dozens of emotional triggers, comparisons. She's prettier, he's richer, they're happier. Information overload, fear of missing out, envy, anxiety, inadequacy. All while you're sitting still. You're not resting. You're mentally sprinting while physically frozen. That's the worst combination for your nervous system. The solution? Replace passive consumption with active creation. Instead of scrolling for 30 minutes, try writing 200 words, drawing for 10 minutes, cooking something new, having a real conversation, taking a walk without your phone. Creation energizes. Consumption depletes. You know this is true because think about it. When was the last time you felt more energized after a 2-hour Netflix binge? Never. But after creating something, even something small, you feel alive. Create more. Consume less. Feel the difference. Number 3. You're in sleep debt, and it's compounding. I'll catch up on sleep this weekend. No, you won't. Sleep debt works like financial debt. It compounds. Miss 1 hour tonight, and you don't just owe 1 hour. The effects multiply. Slower thinking. Emotional instability. Weakened immune system. Increased hunger, especially for junk food. Decreased willpower. Constant fatigue. And here's the scary part. You can't catch up with one good night's sleep. Studies show it takes 4 days of adequate sleep to recover from just 1 hour of sleep debt. Most people are walking around with weeks of accumulated sleep debt. No wonder you're exhausted. The solution? Treat sleep like a non-negotiable appointment. Not, I'll sleep when I'm tired. Not, just one more episode. Set a sleep schedule and protect it like your life depends on it, because it literally does. Here's the formula. Same bedtime every night. Yes, weekends too. 7 to 9 hours minimum. Dark room. Cool temperature. 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit / 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. No screens 1 hour before bed. No caffeine after 2 p.m. Your body isn't a machine you can run into the ground and recharge on weekends. Respect your sleep. Respect your energy. Number 4. Your body is rusting from stillness. This sounds crazy, but it's true. Sitting still makes you more tired than moving. When you don't move, your blood circulation slows down. Oxygen delivery decreases. Muscles weaken and tighten. Metabolism drops. Brain gets less fuel. Mood declines. You're literally starving your body and brain of energy by staying still. The phrase, use it or lose it, applies to energy too. The solution, move your body, even a little. You don't need a gym membership or a perfect workout routine. You just need to move. Try this. 5-minute walk after waking up. Stretch for 2 minutes every hour. Take stairs instead of elevators. Dance to one song. Do 10 push-ups or jumping jacks. Movement creates energy. Stillness steals it. There's a scientific reason for this. Exercise increases mitochondria, your cell's energy factories, and releases endorphins, natural energy boosters. Even 10 minutes of movement can give you more energy than an hour of lying down. Stop waiting to have energy to exercise. Exercise to create energy. Number 5. You have nothing to be energized about. This is the deepest one and the most important. You're tired because your life has no meaningful direction. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how you can stay up all night when you're excited about something? A trip? A project? A conversation with someone you love? But on a regular Tuesday, you can barely keep your eyes open at 3 p.m.? Energy follows purpose. When you have nothing compelling pulling you forward, your brain conserves energy. Why spend energy when there's nothing worth spending it on? This is why people can work 12-hour days on their passion projects and feel alive, but feel drained after 4 hours at a job they hate. The solution? Find something worth being energized about. Ask yourself, what would I do if I had unlimited energy? What problems do I want to solve? What would make me excited to wake up tomorrow? What legacy do I want to build? Then start, even if it's just 15 minutes a day. Energy doesn't come from rest. Energy comes from purpose. Viktor Frankl, who survived Nazi concentration camps, said, "Those who have a why to live can bear with almost any how." When you have a reason to be alive, your body finds the energy. Without purpose, you're just existing. And existing is exhausting. Let's recap the 5 reasons you're tired. 1. Decision fatigue. Too many choices drain your brain. Automate your routine. 2. Passive consumption. Scrolling exhausts you mentally. Create instead of consume. 3. Sleep debt. You can't cheat biology. Prioritize consistent sleep. 4. Lack of movement. Stillness makes you tired. Movement creates energy. 5. No purpose. Without meaning, your brain conserves energy. Find your why. Fix these 5 things and watch your energy transform. Final motivation. Here's the beautiful truth. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're just stuck in patterns that drain you instead of fuel you. Energy isn't something you're born with or without. Energy is something you build through the right habits. Small changes, consistent actions, clear purpose. Start with one thing from this video. Automate one decision. Replace 15 minutes of scrolling with creation. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier tonight. Take a 5-minute walk. Write down what excites you. Just one. Today. Because the person you want to become, energized, focused, unstoppable, is waiting for you to take the first step. If this video helped you understand why you've been exhausted, hit that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss strategies that actually change your life, not just motivate you for 5 minutes. Comment below. Which of these 5 reasons hit you the hardest? Let's talk about it. And if you know someone who's always tired, share this video with them. You might just change their life. Your energized self is waiting. Let's go get them.